Hey y'all, it is your favorite nerdy girl here, Nerdygirlreviews, and we're back with another Dollar Tree haul. Stay tuned for all the goodies. Y'all already know my paper towels. No, it's not the 176 count, it is the 126, but in comparison to the 100 sheet count, it's still worth the $1.25. It was only one, so I don't know what's happening with production at my branch, but if you see it, snag it because they're all going quickly. And of course, you know my strong and soft, they did have a plenty. So I was able to pick up 2 packs, 4 rolls, bath tissues, 2 ply. So can't go wrong for $1.25. It says septic safe. Good to know. So there's that in there. I want to say kitchen cleaning supply section. That's where you'll find them at my branch. Also, you already know my puffs. They didn't have my Scotties, but they have my puffs. So 96, but again, in a pinch, you're running low, you keep some in stock, you're good to go. And I like them because they're really sensitive on the nose and skin. So I don't like the ones with lotion. I don't know who's a fan of those, but it's like, it really feels like lotion. And sometimes it bombards the product. I don't know. Tell me if I'm wrong. Let me know in the comment section. Does it bother you? Because I know the ones that like for the cold flu season, with the Vicks? No, such a no, ma'am. Anyway, so like I said, an assortment of patterns. This is a nice, pretty floral, and this is a nice, pretty micro, um, just a regular pink. Standard overall pink. Picked that up. Picked up two. Also in there, I want to say electronic section. These are new. I'm not using these for its function. As you can see, this is by eCircuit headphones. They come in black and in gray, but I'm going to be using this for DIY because I already know this isn't going to be really great quality. I'll test them out. I'll let you guys know, but something tells me this is just for aesthetics. $1.25. You'll see it when you see it, but it is kind of coming together in their electronic section. Also in their electronic battery section, picked up a super heavy duty by eCircuit as well in a 9V. So they look like these little rectangular, batteries. So I was kind of running low on that, and as you can see, you can use them for an assortment of things. They do its job. I do recommend them. They're not going to be Duracell, they're not going to be Energizer, but in a pinch, $1.25 in comparison to paying close to $10. Okay, so I picked up two. um, in there, also in their hardware section, before I forget, it is the fall season coming. It doesn't feel like it this week, by the way, but definitely y'all want to pre-plan. We're going to go into the fall and soon winter. So these I've tried out before. Honestly, they do work. Window insulation kit, perfect. You do need is like a heat gun, or I do recommend like a blow dryer because a heat gun might be too much. But it's supposed to kind of seal your windows. Definitely keeps in the heat, traps in the heat, and doesn't let cold air seep through, especially if you have any units like ACs and whatnot. So these are great. And it companies, that's why I told y'all I picked up. Y'all that follow me on this channel already know that is why I picked up these car covers. As you can see, it's taking me forever to show car covers in their driver's choice collection in the hardware section. This will accompany great, and it will definitely do double duty in keeping and sealing the heat. And as you can see, reduces energy costs. So, but I can't stress this enough. And I think it comes with strips as well. You can see through the bag. As like a strip. Anyway, I am in the search of a mop head, though. I don't know what's happened with production at my branch, but come on, Dollar Tree, bring those mop heads, because I don't know what's going on with that. Nonetheless, moving on. Also, in their, I want to say, cleaning section as well, the vinyl gloves. Picked up another one by Scrub Buddies. They have a variety of colors. I like their clear ones. They really do help. 10 per pack, so I picked up two. They didn't have my sponges, which I'm a little bummed, but perhaps at the next visit. Now, in their beauty care section, they have 100% acetone nail polish remover by Luxury. It is 8 fluid ounces. I gotta say, I like these because also they can do great if you're trying to take all that gunk from your lace wigs, your lace front wigs. You need at least this type of acetone 100% to really kind of get in the gunk. So I bought that because I was also running low, and also yeah, because I am a fan dun, 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 of my press on nails. I always want to say Lee, but it's press on nails because Lee made it popular. You Gen Xers know what I'm talking about. But anyway, these are the new ones from LA Colors. They glow in the dark. They're ballerina shaped. 12 pieces per package, and this is like a pixie dust pink. I thought it was adorable. So if you can tell what more or less I'm kind of trying to build here, pink, some headphones. Does it make any sense, y'all? Drop me a comment in the comment section what you think I'm building. Just let me know. Let me know if you're on to my hints. But I'm going to try these. I do that. I can find them really adorable, and they're really nice cut, and I like the color. It's not too overpowering, but it's just pink enough. But they have also a number of other neon. They have like neon orange. They have blue. They have yellow. They have a number of things. So be on the lookout in your beauty care section at your local Dollar Tree. And lastly, this is by B Color Gel Beads Eye Mask. I like these. They do come in handy, definitely, yes, for the eyes. But it honestly is a great dupe for an ice pack. Although they do have ice packs relatively small, but they have ice packs that work at the Dollar Tree. But I like these as well because you can just put them there because it stretches. And not for nothing, I will say this lastly. At Target, they have something similar like this for the knee. So I said, you buy a couple of packs like this, put this in the fridge, you have the same thing, and you're not paying $17 for it. The last one I used that I bought, which was just one, it did the trick. So I recommend these B Color Gel Beads Eye Mask. They come in an assortment of colors, purple, pink, and obviously like a nice light green. I think blue too. So be on the lookout for those. And lastly, yes, we are moving into the last, I think, fall items, Halloween items. This was the cutest thing I've ever seen. It's a Frankenstein, like little tumbler, little kind of like perfect for kids, for the Halloween season. It comes with a little straw that it's bendable. I did not pick it up for that. I picked it up because of this nice dome shape. And I'm a big fan. I always give shout outs to my fellow YouTubers, influencers. Propway is a talented young man. He does like a number of like cosplay masks. And he used something like this to kind of like bend the foam, styrofoam, or any kind of like foam that he does to do his masks. And this really comes in lovely. So I'm going to give it a try because I'm trying to build another mask as well because he's very creative. And I can link down below his channel so you can follow him as well. But yes, I saw it. I said, that's the same one he uses. I'm going to use it too. So with that, y'all, I hope you've enjoyed. If there's any item here that you particularly like, please let me know. It's been a long day, so please forgive me. Leave me a comment down below, and if you'd like to follow me here on YouTube, hit the subscription button and the notification button so you can be alerted of my next DIY review and haul. And I hope you enjoyed what you see. Let me know. Are you dressing up this year for Halloween? What are some costume ideas that you guys are interested in? Let us know down below. All right, y'all. Maybe I'm also working on a Patreon, so be on the lookout for that. Or just perhaps a Cash App where, you guys, if you feel so nice to donate to my channel, that would help as well. All right, y'all. So until next time, XOXO, nerdy girl. Blah.